What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best tire machine on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered for more information on the products. I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is XQSA 988 Tire Changer and 680 Balancer Combo. The XK988 has some additional features over the 950 that will make tire installation easier. One major improvement is the extra arms, which greatly assist in the tire removal and installation of run-flat and larger low-profile tires. The swivel arm features a boot that is useful for tires with a stiff sidewall. A second arm features a roller that keeps the bead depressed, making it easier to lift the bead over the head. It also helps to prevent damage to the rim or tearing the bead. If you need to install some wide or run-flat tires, the XQSA 988 is a good budget option. Overall, this is a good combo for the money with a lot of features that can high performance and run-flat tires. 1020 area, 1020 outside, 1224 outside. 37 tire diameter. Ein that maximum rim with motor horsepower 1.5. Tire balancing. Rim diameters IAMI 1.5 to 20. 44 IZMN. Maximum wheel weight 155 lbs.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is XK Tire Changer. The XQSA 900, 5580 Tire Changer and Balancer Combo are one of the best deals out there. They are perfect for light-duty use such as a small repair shop or home garage. While the mounter is a bit basic and lacks some of the features on higher-priced machines, it is more than sufficient for most passenger cars and trucks. However, it will not be able to mount run-flat tires. The outside rim clamping diameter between 10-20 is decent, and it can handle tires up to 37, so unless you have a truck with some big mud tires, it will be more than adequate. The bead breaker has a force of 5,600 BLs, which again is sufficient and comparable to high-priced tire installers. It has a bead blaster that helps seat the tire on the rim. Overall, this is a good entry-level tire changer, although it lacks some of the accessories that are helpful when installing run-flat and low-profile tires. The 680 Tire Balancer is a good complement for the XK Tire installer. It is also basic and lacks a few features when compared to higher-priced models, but it gets the job done. This machine can handle rims from 10-24, with a diameter of 44, which is sufficient for most passenger vehicles. It also features 3 balancing modes: standard, dynamic, static, ALU13, and can balance motorcycle tires. A quick-release swing nut makes tightening down and removing the wheels from the spindle easy. Also, being able to balance down to within 1 gram ensures a perfect balance and smooth ride. Overall, the XQSA 905 580s is a good entry-level tire installer and balance combo. While it is basic and the installer is not ideal for low-profile and run-flat tires, it will get the job done. For a home garage, this is probably the best choice for the money. Based out of California, XQSA provides equipment designed for professional use including lifts, tire installers and balancers, wheel alignment, and frame racks.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Eastwood Professional Car Tire Balancer Machiner. If you're constantly changing tires and wheels, this DI electronic wheel balancer is a must for your shop. This 2-on-1 unit complements our swing arm tire changer to do the job right. Once your tires are properly mounted on the wheel, Give them a spin on the rotator to measure the weight. The digital display compares the tires so you know what clip-on or stick weights to add. The machine will fit wheels up to 24 inches in diameter and 20 inches wide, letting you balance a huge variety of car, truck, and SF wheels. A digital wheel balancing machine is great for race shops, professional tire shops, and anyone who has a large fleet of vehicles. By getting the tire and wheel properly balanced, there will be fewer vibrations and more even tire wear while driving. All hardware is included for precision balancing, and there's also a protective hood in case debris kicks up or the wheel comes loose. It takes just 8 seconds to get an accurate measurement. We provide lifetime tech support on this balancer that is used by many of our team members.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Mayflower Wheel Changers Machine Balancer. While affordable isn't a term you'd use to describe a tire changer and wheel balancer combo in a normal discussion, the Mayflower is the option many will go to when there's little room in the budget. Even as an affordable option, it covers all of the bases. This setup works with tires up to 35 inches in diameter and wheels with widths of up to 12 inches. The quality and performance are also in line with many machines that sit at higher prices, and even the 1-year warranty you'll typically find at a higher price is matched here. Before you make the impulse decision to grab the Mayflower, you should know that it is known to struggle with low-profile wheels and tires. Also, reports indicate that fittings uncommon in the U.S. market are used within the system, and that can be an issue for maintenance.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is XQUSA Inc. Tire Changer Combo. The XQSA Inc. Tire Changer Combo is perfect for a small shop without high volume that needs a good machine for changing and balancing tires. It is among the most affordable options, but the quality far surpasses expectations. Its operating capabilities are comparable to costlier units, and it will work with up to a 37-inch tire. Setup is very simple with minimal assembly required, and the system is equally as easy to use. It's a close runner-up as the pick for best value, but some minor issues keep it from earning that title. The plastic wheel protector tends to break easily, and the air gauge is a common trouble area. Fortunately, customer service is very accommodating, and users report it responds quickly to any issues. You might consider this over the others anyway because of it.